Hey, Old Man Crypto here, trying to take the intimidation out of cryptocurrency, especially for us old folks. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. There's a lot going on with it again right now, and I have a few thoughts. Now, remember, this isn't financial advice. Everybody's saying it, so I've got to now too. But let's take a look at it, see if we can get some answers together, and hopefully that'll make you feel more secure with what's going on. Let's take a look. All right, let's do some quick analysis here on Bitcoin. Right now, we're sitting at what? About at about 8,100 bucks. Okay, and let's just see what's going on here. We are on, just to get us set straight, we are on a 6-hour chart. For those of you that don't know, I like looking at the 6-hour chunks. Try and keep ourselves sane. Let's draw a couple trend lines here real quick. So this is probably the first time that we've done this together, and there's a couple things that I like to do to look at what's happening here. So we're going to draw some trend lines. Let's go in here, and let's go down to here. The other thing we should talk about is that our slow moving average, which is this red line, is based upon a 1 week. The hash marks, or this faster moving trend line, is based upon a 1 day, and we're looking at it on a 6-hour chart. Okay? So if we look at that trend line there, at the tops, obviously we're below that. We have crossed below our 1 week trend line back here at around the 6th, and we're trending down. Let's take a look at the cycles real quick. Fibonacci, let's just say, we'll do it, let's do it here. This is where we really broke through, and we had all this downward movement coming in, and we looked like we're going to break out and start doing some stuff right in here. Okay, this is very quick, fast, down and dirty, just so you know. So we'll look at that. Let's do another Fibonacci. I'll get to it. I might have to move this over here. And we'll go, let's do that one from here to here. And we can go a little shorter on that. And based upon that, what we're looking at, if we blow this up a little, is we've broken through on that 1 week. Clearly, and we've broken through this support level right here, which means that we're heading right into our next support level, which it looks like we're testing in here at that $8,000 level. And the next support level is right in here at about 68. Now, the interesting thing about where we're at right now is, let's just take this away real quick. Let's look at some other support here. We've got this support line, let's just call the support line right in here. And the next one would be actually, we can just move this up because we've got support in here at that 86-ish. We've got support in there at about the same. We've got support in here at about the same. and we've broken through that support line. If we start looking at it at a shorter time frame, real quick, just to drill down a little bit, you can see all that momentum is going down. And so let's just do this. Let's do another trend line here. And go back to our 6 hour and see where we're at. So really, at this point, normally what I would say is we're dealing with a bunch of bots right in here. We hit this support level, we went up, we came back down at the 9,000, and we came back up around the $11,000 range again, and came back down to the 89, came back up, and in the last few days, this all looked like bot action, right? Here, 88, boom, 9. Back to 88, boom, 9. But now that trend has totally reversed, and we could start seeing with all that volume in the negative, we could start seeing, let's go back into that. Look at it again. Let's just say that this bottom, this top, our next level of support comes in at about $7,600 on Bitcoin. Now we get to this cycle here, which comes out to be the 19th. And that's potentially where we want to see some of this start to reverse, again, long term. You can see right here is where we took that dip. And we're getting ready to cross over again, or meet again. So it doesn't look real positive for a little bit of momentum to reverse this, which means that we could get into that $7,600 range pretty quickly. And if we break through that, we're looking back at this $6,000 range in here, the high sixes. So, nothing is for sure. This thing has reversed pretty quickly before. The market doesn't like Bitcoin to be that low, but we're just not really seeing any positive signs of this reversing quickly. So if I had to guess, and I'm guessing on my own here for my own benefit on where to get in, I'm looking back to make another significant investment somewhere in here in this $7,600 range. Now we could be in there at about 8. I might look at that again. But yeah, I'm not seeing any indication that we're going to come back on a rebound here super quick. So hopefully that helps. Obviously make your own decisions, but a sub $7,000 Bitcoin is not out of the question here in the near future in my mind. So we'll take a look at it again, well, hopefully tomorrow. I'm flying to Paris tomorrow on the last leg of my vacation, but hopefully we'll get some time in to look at it tomorrow together and see what's going on, see how close I was in that prediction. Good luck to all of us. We're on the roller coaster again.